Query on name of products produced traded. This query trigger is available under Business Segments and Products section. This query trigger enables you to find companies based on the names of products produced or traded and services provided by the company in a given year. Let us understand the functioning of this query trigger with the help of an example. Suppose we want to select those companies which had sales of products starting with cement with a value of Rs 500 million or more in the year ended March 2014. To execute this query, you need to follow 6 steps. The first step is to enter the product name to be selected, cement, in the auto search box. All product names starting with cement will appear in the results box. Click on the double down arrow to select all the products in the selected product names box. The second step is to select the indicator to be queried on and enter the range in the range from and range to boxes. Let us select the indicator sales and enter 500 against sales value. Since the default currency selected in the menu bar is rupees million, it means 500 million. The third step is to enter the appropriate date on which the search should be conducted. The default selection is L and let us change it to 2014-03 in the Query on Dates box. Let us retain the default selection in the Output Dates box as AP. The date formats used in the Query on Dates and Output Dates are explained in the Help on Dates, which can be accessed by clicking on the question mark icon available just above the Query on Dates box. The fourth step is to select the appropriate domain from the 2 domains available, All Companies and Companies in Current OSE. The domain All Companies conducts a search over all the companies available in the Prowess database. The domain Companies in Current OSE conducts a filtering on the companies available in the current output sheet. The default selection is All Companies and let us retain the same. The fifth step is to select the appropriate output destination from Select Output Destination box from the 3 formats possible. The first format is the OSE, which displays the names of companies satisfying the criteria available in the query trigger. The second format is the WS or the worksheet, which displays the company names along with the product details. The third format is TXT, which displays data in a text file. Let us select WS as our output destination. The sixth step is to click on the appropriate execute option to execute this query. The domain selected by us is All Companies, so we can select any one of 3 execute options available, which are Add to Current OSE and WS, Send to New OSE and WS, and Replace Current OSE and WS. Add to Current OSE and WS adds the names of the qualifying companies in the current output sheet and adds the data and the name of the qualifying companies in the worksheet. Send to New OSE and WS creates a new output sheet of names of qualifying companies and worksheet of qualifying companies and its data. Replace Current OSE and WS replaces the contents in the current output sheet with the names of the qualifying companies and creates a new worksheet of qualifying companies and its data. Let us click on Send to New OSE and WS. When the query is executed successfully, the New Outputs button will start blinking. Click on the same. You will see that 2 outputs, OSE and WS, will be selected by default in the Output Downloader box. Click on the Continue button to download both these outputs. The worksheet will display companies with sales value of Rs 500 million or above of products starting with the name cement for the accounting year March 2014. A new OSE will also be created, which will display only names of the qualifying companies. You can click on the output view to view the same.